Today's video, I'm gonna walk you guys through how to create and verify your Bybit account. Now, in order for you guys to do this, I'm currently on my iOS device. What I recommend you guys do is simply to open the App Store. On the Android, simply head to the Google Play Store and tap on the search icon here. Search for Bybit within the search bar there, and then you see these pop-ups here. Tap on Bybit. I've already installed this app, so I'll simply go ahead and open the app. Now on this page here, we are presented with a sign up button here. So simply go ahead and tap on the sign up. They will redirect you to this page where you have to simply sign up with your email or phone number. I'll simply go ahead and sign up with my email address. One down, simply tap on sign up now. Now guys, we will leave a referral code in the description below. You can simply copy that code and insert that referral section there. Now go ahead and simply complete this captcha here. Now a verification code will be sent to your email address. Simply head to your email address and simply copy that code and paste it here. Now after inserting the code, they redirected me to this page here where I can go ahead and create a strong password here. That's what I also recommend to you guys, creating a strong password. Simply input in the password here. One down, simply go ahead and tap on sign up. Now automatically they will keep you on the page where you can go ahead and verify your identity, or you can simply tap on skip and then go through within the app, check some few features of the app and everything. But first, since we are verifying our account here, so let me tap on verify my identity. Now your location is needed. My current location is in Ghana. Tap on confirm. Now standard verification benefits. After verifying your account, you have access to deposits, trading, such as spot trading, futures, and others. And you have access to P2P trading, where you can use fiat currencies and stuff. Now complete your identity verification standard now. Simply tap on proof of identity here. Tap on verify. And here you need your ID card. You can proceed with ID card, passport, driver's license, or resident permits. Okay, so simply tap on ID card. They'll need to access your camera because they'll want to scan your ID card. Simply show them the first section of your ID card and the back section of your ID card, and you'll be done with the verification. A clear example, they gave you what they needed from you guys. They need a clear view of your ID card, guys. Tap on continue. I'll choose this. Now as you can see, you guys should simply have to go ahead and use that. That's the front section of your ID card, and then you tap on taking a picture, and they'll require you to turn your ID card backwards, and you can take the back section of your ID card for them to proceed with verifying your account and activating your account for trading and other features too. And that's it, guys. This is how to create and verify your Bybit account. If you guys enjoyed this video, kindly leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Neotradas to stay updated anytime we release a new video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.